Yes, the HONOR X9d is now official, and here's my short reviews after using the device for a couple of days. The HONOR X9 series has consistently topped the chart as Malaysia's best-selling mid-range smartphone from the HONOR X9b to the HONOR X9c. It has set a new benchmark in toughness and durability. So how does the HONOR X9d compare? Let's find out. As shared in my previous video, the HONOR X9d debuts with the industry's first triple resistant SGS Premium Performance certification. It's 25% tougher than its predecessor and features ultra deep tempered glass reinforced with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which can withstand blade level scratches and even an nail gun. It's also the first model to feature an IP69K rating, the highest industry-grade water resistant, withstanding up to 6 meters of depth, 30 days of submersion in 1 meter of water, and resistant to high temperature, high pressure water jet. This marks a new standard for durability and toughness. For a mid-range device, HONOR didn't chip out on the build quality. More notable, the display stand out. It's a large 6.79-inch OLED panel with symmetrical narrow bezels, a design usually reserved for flagship devices. HONOR also switched to a flat display, which is more durable than curved screen and makes applying tempered glass much easier. Yes, even with such a tough screen, I'll still recommend using a screen protector. The panel supports a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and can reach an impressive peak brightness of 6000 nits. It also comes with a full suite of HONOR eye comfort display technologies, including 3840Hz PWM dimming, AI circadian night display, AI defocus display, dynamic dimming display, and hardware level low blue light filtration. The only complaint is the glossy flat frame is fingerprint magnets and unfortunately has a wavy, uneven surface that gives it slightly cheap feel, but this isn't a big deal once you put on a case. If you are adventurous enough to go without a case, you will appreciate the fog leather back covers in this reddish brown, which gives a premium touch. The HONOR X9d features a dual rear camera setup, same as the HONOR X9c. 108MP primary camera with OIS and EIS, a 5MP ultra-wide, and a 16MP front shooter. The main sensor is quite large at 1/1.6 inch with a fast f1.75 aperture, allowing it to capture impressive shots with natural depth of field and plenty of details in good lighting. However, the 5MP ultra-wide lens is a little underwhelming. Soft images, slow response time, and poor low light performance result in frequent blurriness. Do share with me your thoughts of these photos taken with the HONOR X9d. The rear camera supports 4K recording at 30fps and is complemented by an AI editing suite with tools like AI Eraser, AI Outpainting, AI Upscale, AI Cutout, and AI Instant Movie. HONOR also has improved the dual stereo speakers, which now pushing volume up to 400%. They are insanely loud with minimal distortion. After using the same chip for 2 generations, HONOR has finally upgraded to the new Snapdragon 6 Gen 4. It's still a mid-range chip but offers slightly better CPU and GPU performance, improved efficiency, and supports on-device generative AI. Speaking of AI, the X9d runs on macOS 9.0 based on Android 15. The X9d also introduced several AI-powered features. AI call translation that translates conversation in real time on device, AI Translate that support real-time multi-language translation, AI HONOR notes that transcribe meetings recordings automatically, AI writing tools, checks grammars and summarize text, and Magic Portal 2.0, which analyze content and suggest relevant action instantly. It comes with 12GB of memories plus 12GB of HONOR Turbo RAM and paired with 256GB or 512GB UFS 3.1 storage option. Performance is just average, but is still capable of running modern mobile games at medium or low graphic settings. And now, saving the best for last, the HONOR X9d measured under 8mm thick, weighed under 200 grams, but packed a massive 8,300 mAh battery, nearly double the capacities of most smartphones. It's currently the largest batteries in any smartphone on the market. This is thanks to HONOR silicon carbon battery technology and can easily deliver 3 to 4 days of use on a single charge. It also supports 7.5 watt wired reverse charging, turning it into a mini power bank. To charge the X9d is the 66 watt HONOR Supercharge. HONOR is so confident in the HONOR X9d durabilities that they are offering 365 days front and back crack protection, 1 year liquid damage protection, and 1 year extended warranty, all at no extra cost. The HONOR X9d is seriously impressive for mid-range smartphone. It's built like a tank, has a bright and beautiful display, super loud speakers, and a battery that just won't die. Sure, the ultra-wide camera could be better, but with its new AI features, durable designs, and decent performance, it's definitely a phone worth checking out, especially if you value toughness and battery life. Or you just want to buy one for your clumsy husband or wife or careless children. That's all from me on the new HONOR X9d. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.